Have you ever sat there and actually watched your washing machine wash? Have you ever sat there and watched the washing machine actually wash? It don't move the clothes. How they get clean?
Put them moving.
No, it don't. Them clothes still sitting in the same spot, and it done went through a whole cycle.
Wait, really? You recorded the whole thing?
No, I didn't record the whole thing. I just started recording.
No.
Go on YouTube and look up Anthony Zeller Sr.
Well, you have a YouTube?
Go on YouTube, look up Anthony Zeller Sr. and go like and subscribe. I need 1,000 followers so I can start doing live YouTube. And I'm going to end up getting a TikTok. I might set it up tonight. I don't know. Who you got there with you? Kindly. Come here. Come here. Stick your tongue out. You turn it into a smurf. Yeah? You turn it into a smurf. Come here. Hold on. Y'all want y'all to see this. Stick your tongue out. Look at that. Turning into a smurf. Ain't that something? Huh? We're going to call you Mrs. Papa Smurf. Huh? Oh, now we got some light on the subject. Let's see. We got a little glass. Let's go. No. There we go. Let's see if we can knock it off. Nope. No, there we go. Nope. This way? Maybe? I don't know. Nope. Them clothes, I don't know. I might be wearing dirty clothes every day. Ain't no fucking telling. Excuse my language. I'm sorry, that one slipped. Let's see what it does now. Uh-oh. Here we go. Look, my fingerprint. Look at that. Look, my fingerprint. If I ever come up missing and they find me in the woods, you got my fingerprint right there. Could identify me. Look at y'all. Cook. Boy, that thing is unbalanced like I don't nobody's get out. That's why I tell them y'all gotta watch the washing machine. We gonna do it again. Drain and spin. Right, I'm gonna stop this sucker. Where is that? Load balance. 39 minutes. I don't know if it's finished washing or not. It looks like it's trying to spin the rinse. Put some of that on that side and see what happens. Nah, I see what we can get. All right. Let's see what happens now. Told y'all, I'm going to be making videos, posting them on YouTube. Anthony Zeller Sr. Go like and subscribe. I need 1,000 subscribers so I can go live on YouTube. Yeah, help me out now. Come on. Oh, and No, that ain't right. Hold on. We're going to put that right there. We're going to start this job over again. Medium. We're going to try it on medium. Well, I know what it's doing. It's sitting there. This is a crazy machine. I thought about selling it and buying something different. Thought about selling the set and buying a whole new set, but I don't know if I get enough money because that's the dryer. That dryer matches the washing machine. As far as dependability, it's good. As far as for washing, I think it's a piece of shit. The last 3 washing machines that we own, I didn't like. I just didn't like the way they operate. I like the old type washing machine. I think they wash clothes a lot better and more efficient. These new machines, I don't know. They just look like they squirt the water around a little bit, move the shit around, but I don't know if they're really cleaning anything. And like this thing just sitting here right now. It's supposed to be trying to do something. I have no idea. I'm supposed to hold this button for 3 seconds and start it? Oh, there we go. That's what I was supposed to do. Okay, didn't tell me all that. Sensing. It says sensing. So let's see if it's going to work right. See if it's going to be able to spin now evenly. I moved the clothes around. I got it on drain and spin.
Is it moving now?
Huh?
Still not moving?
I don't know. It was unbalanced real bad. I stopped it and drained, moved the clothes, and I put it on drain and spin.
All right, well, we're going.
Where you going?
To the store?
Why?
Because we need food.
Why?
Because.
You going where?
To the store.
Why you squinting like that?
Because you got your light on.
Oh. You're going to be part of my YouTube.
I don't want to be part of your YouTube.
Why?
Because. All right, we're going. Love you.
Why? I love you too.
I'll see you later. We'll come back tomorrow.
Oh, thanks for the warning. You taking Kylie with you?
Yeah.
Okay. She got a blue tongue. She turning into Papa Smurf. All right. My granddaughter. One of my granddaughters. And her sister, Kylie. I know y'all think this is not too interesting, but I'm trying to watch to see I'm gonna be putting some other stuff on here besides all this crap. I'm just trying to figure out this YouTube thing and get me some subscribers, some likes and subscribers. Yeah, probably ain't gonna get too many people subscribing to watch a washing machine go round and round.